repented the Lord that he had made man on the earth, and it grieved him at his heart. Genesis 6 verse 6. The earth also was corrupt before God, and the earth was filled with violence. Genesis 6 verse 11. It grieved him. It repented me that I had set up Saul to be king. For his back is turned from following me, and had not performed my commandment. First Samuel 15 verse 11. And God looked upon the earth, and behold, it was corrupt, for all flesh had corrupted his way upon the earth. Genesis 6 verse 12. And he permitted that long-lived race to eat animal food to shorten their sinful lives. Soon after the flood, the race began to rapidly decrease in size and in length of years. The flesh of dead animals was known, the origin of food for men. Counsels for the Church, page 2.